Hey everyone, this is Cliff, founder of MyWeb Audit. Leads are the oxygen for your business, and lead generation can be expensive, time-consuming, and complicated. That's why we've created Better Leads. In this video, I'll be covering how to import leads from Google, Bing, and Yahoo in minutes. You can also leverage the import list feature if you've already got a lead list you'd like to import into the system. In order to leverage Better Leads with the Chrome extension, you need to go to Settings inside MyWeb Audit and make sure that you've installed the browser Chrome extension. You can obviously go to Google as well and just type in MyWeb Audit Chrome extension. You'll see the link here when you just need to come in and obviously install it. All right, I already have it, so I'm not going to install it. Once installed, there's a couple of ways to leverage this. If you're looking to create and import a list, right? So here you have an option to import leads from a CSV file. My recommendation is, no matter what niche you're working on, to look at things like fastest growing fastest growing law firms, or the largest law firms in a specific state or in the US or whatever country you're in. And then you end up getting some sort of list like this, right? Where you see a lot of different law firms and you can see the percentage of growth, etc. It always works better to deal with companies that can actually pay you or that are growth minded. So we highly recommend you leveraging lists like this. Another quick hack is to go to Inc.com, and here you can ultimately identify, based off of state or a specific industry, what companies are growing, and then have a VA or someone on your team, in essence, extract the URLs for this site or for these sites in this list and then import them into the system, right? And all you have to do that is just click import leads and then import it. Here we have a sample CSV file. All right, now just to let you know, the only field that we really do need here is going to be the URL. Right? So if someone can fill all this information in as they do the research, then that's great. But otherwise, you can import in the URL and then obviously leverage the data enrichment system that we have in our app in Better Leads to be able to pull their contact information, or at least what's publicly available, or track them down on LinkedIn. But the benefit here is to be able to import a predefined lead list and then be able to run the information, so you can identify, obviously specifically, are they missing an SSL or an OG tag, or page performance issues or responsive problems, and then reach out to them. But let's say you didn't have a list, okay, but you wanted to work with a list of local companies that are in your area. Then all you have to do here is pick an industry. So let's just look at dental surgeons in Phoenix. Okay, so now here I have a list. I'm just gonna, I can either obviously import everything from here by clicking on the MyWeb Audit extension, go to the link extractor. I can either pick an existing list from here, or I can create a new list and put it in. Or if I want to specifically say, hey, you know what, let me see who's ranking, so I can reach out to some of these companies, then all you do is go in here. You can either quickly take a look at them, or if not, just again click on the extension, click on link extractor, add them to an existing list, or create a new list, and it'll put these 17 or 20 records in, depending on what they are. When you go in and you do this, I've changed my Google custom search results here so that I can now see 100, and then it can import them there as well. So that's a quick way to leverage the import functionality, as well as using the Chrome extension.